Alright, so what is this?
Oh well, welcome to the kitchen today. I mean, I know you cook other things, and I don't know what's happening today. Well, I'm boiling meat for. You remember you wanted AGBONOR soup.
I wanted you to make it, not for me to make it.
Well, yeah.
What do we have inside here? I see it.
There's beef.
Beef.
And there's cow skin.
Okay, I'm not gonna eat that.
Oh, Morocco.
Oh, okay.
I like cow skin a lot, Bomo.
Yeah, Bomo.
Bomo. Yeah, that's the Bomo there. Bomo. And there's Morocco.
Alright.
Stockfish. It's happening.
Stockfish. I know it all looks the same because it's all surrounded by brown sauce.
They just water. They've been cooking together and they're exchanging each other's juice. Can you taste and see if we have enough salt in it?
Yeah.
We have enough salt?
Yeah. That's enough.
Okay, so yeah, we're gonna boil the meat. I don't think the meat is soft enough. You use the fork and taste and see. Shook the meat and see if it's soft enough. Which one am I shooking? Anyone. They're all gonna cook at the same time the way I put them because I pre-boiled some of them, so everything will be. Yeah. Do you think it's soft enough?
I think it's good.
Okay.
I mean, this isn't the end of its cooking, right?
No, it's not, because they're gonna be in the AGBONOR soup too and cook with the AGBONOR.
Yeah, so there's more.
Okay, so you know what we're gonna do next?
Alright, we got the dry ingredients.
These are the dry ingredients we're gonna add to it.
Okay.
Look at, be careful the way you pick because the bonga fish is very bony. That's why it's called bonga fish.
Yeah, bone guy.
Very bony. So because to avoid being choked by the bone, we're gonna blend it. We're gonna dry crush it, and then inside you see big shrimps or crayfish or big one. So we're gonna blend all of them dry too. Uziza seed here because AGBONOR needs uziza for that for that aroma.
Peppercorn medley.
Peppercorn medley. Yeah, we're gonna blend all of them together. I guess in one blender. We're using the dry blender. Cover it. And what you have there is AGBONOR powder.
It's ground AGBONOR.
I don't know the English name.
It needs
it's gonna melt.
Locust beans. Locust beans.
Remove it, let them drip inside the soup because
inside they go.
This alternative for fish in case you don't.
Vegan AGBONOR.
Vegan AGBONOR.
See that?
Okay, yeah.
Red palm oil.
Red palm. It's too big.
It's very
Which is a compliment, but right now in the AGBONOR, it's not such a compliment.
This is why short people do.
Heat resistant plate. So I'm reading, put it on top of. So it's better to use iron or aluminium or whatever. But this one is glass, and if it goes in the microwave, that means it can survive here. Okay. Okay. Something. So it's gonna just sail on top of the
It's translucent.
Yeah. So it's now to pour it in there.
Okay.
Let me help you. It's gonna be too hot for you. Use this. I'm gonna crank up the heat. I told you, let me do it.
It's because the sauce hit.
I can do it.
Sauce hit. That was just too hot.
Okay, then use the paper to hold the plate. I told you.
Got him.
You didn't get them nothing. Use the paper now. It's hard. This thing is not a joke.
I know.
I'll show them in the camera how small it is now. Bring it out.
Alright, so that's what we're working with now.
So that long thing, we chopped it down in the blender. So it's cooking.
I figured you can eat that look.
Yeah. Here. Keep on stirring it though.
That's funny.
Hold it now.
Yeah, it's a metal pot. It's hot.
Take it up and see how it feels like. I know it's gonna be like overload, but I need it. This is me doing the most.
That is very much the most, because this is already done.
It's already good.
Hey.
Oh no, that's allowed. Give me half of it. AGBONOR, mama, AGBONOR. Bright Lord, thanks. He's adding more bitter leaf into the AGBONOR just to balance it, because AGBONOR sometimes can taste a bit sweet, slimy, everything. Bitter leaf is trying to just give it that oomph of bitterness that helps it go down very nicely and yummily, apart from the vitamins and all the good nutrition we get from the vegetables, you know. So it's happening, cooking is going on and we're having a lot of fun.
All right, so now I turn it. Turn.
Yeah, turn it well, scratch the underneath so that it doesn't burn. Gentle, because this thing can
to make fufu. And so we shall make fufu.
a wooden spoon at the same time to turn it. Round and stirring it gently. Round and round and round.
Do you need more water?
No, you're good. Now, be pressing it to the edge and bring it out again. Press it and turn. Yeah, perfect. That's it. Guys, somebody mama train mo. Let me tell you the trick to make for yourself. I think it's cooked now, but always to make sure.
Yeah.
Okay, I put water. Wait, I just put water. Don't worry. It's very beautiful. Put water, don't turn it, cover it. Let it the steam cook whatever needs to cook. And then when we come back, the excess water, increase the stove.
Yep.
Okay, now turn it again.
Oh.
Gently now. This is fufu. Start from the middle. Now we so you know 100% now it's cooked. That's what I was trying to say. Now start making it. Press it to the side and remove it again. No. Press it. Turn it. Keep on doing it. If you like, you can put it to the center and bring it out again. Just so it can get it, collect all the heat it needs. You see how you're doing it? Oh, dear Buche, you are now a secret man for fufu. Hey, fufu master. Okolobia Woyo Yibo. Look at my German son doing the most. Good job. Now, that plate is the molding plate. Show them what happens with the plate. With this. Put it in there. Put it in there.
Food's in the plate.
Olili pomo gwa bonam olili diam no. Bon appetit everybody. Come and join us. It's happening.